we will be using the Gaussian elimination method to solve this given problem. To use this Gaussian elimination method, or we can also call it the matrix method, let's rewrite this given equation. This is my equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. Now, by writing this here, I'm going to focus on the coefficient. Here I have a plus b plus 0c, because 0 times c is the same thing as 0, equals to 4. And here I'm having 0 times a plus b plus c is equals to 6. Here I have a plus 0b plus c equals to 8. Now, transforming this into matrix form. This can be transformed by writing out the coefficients. Here I'm going to have 1, 1, 0. So here I'm having 0, 1, 1. And here I'm having 1, 0, 1. So this is equals to 4, this is equals to 6, and this is equals to 8. Now, our objective is very simple. What we intend to do is to have upper triangular matrix. So our objective is to make this to be 0, so that we can have the whole of this, to be different, and this to be 0. That is our objective. So what we're going to do now is to reduce the matrix. So I'm going to move this matrix down here and start the reduction. Now, here I'm going to have the matrix being reduced. Here I'm having 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. 4, 6, 8. Now, looking at this line, this is my row 1. This is my row 2. And this is row 3. Now, next is to do row 3 minus row 1. What is our objective? Our objective is to get rid of this 1 and have a triangular matrix. So now we have row 3 minus row 1. Nothing happens to the first row. So we're only working with the last row. So here we have 0, 1, 1. So 1 minus 1 gives 0. 0 minus 1 gives negative 1. And 1 minus 0 gives 1. So we have 4, 6. And the last one here, 8 minus 4 gives 4. Now looking at this, we still have problem with this. Our major concern right here is we want this also to be 0. And to do that, the next thing I'm going to do right now is to do row 3 plus row 2. Row 3 plus row 2. And by doing that, here I have my row 3, which is 0 minus 1. Row 3 plus row 2, which is 0 plus 0. Let's repeat the previous one. We have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now, here we have 0 plus 0 to be 0. Negative 1 plus this 1 gives 0. And 1 plus 1 gives 2. Here we have our 4. We have our 6. So 4 plus 6 here gives 10. Finally, our objective has been matched. And what is our objective? We want the whole of this to be 0. So we can have the upper triangular matrix. Now, looking at this, if you look at this carefully, here we have our coefficient to be A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, and C. So what are we going to do? So looking at this, what we're going to do is very easy. We want to compare the coefficient. Here, from the last part here, we have our 2C to be equals to 10. And from here, our C is equals to 5. Moving to the second row, we have our B plus C to be equals to 6. So here we have our B, which is, and then our C to be 5 equals to 6. And here we have our B to be equals to 1. And looking at the first row, we have A plus B to be equals to 4. We have A plus 1 to be equals to 4. And here we have A to be equals to 3. If you plug in these to the given equation, you will confirm that this is absolutely true. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe or put your suggestion in the comment section for further review. Bye. See you later.